Master your inbox automatically.
Email filters are powerful tools that help you automatically sort, label, and organize incoming messages. By setting up filters, you can keep your inbox tidy without spending time on manual organization. Let's explore how you can use email filters to transform your daily email routine.
What are email filters?
An email filter is a rule that automatically handles your messages based on defined criteria such as sender, keywords, or subject line. Filters can categorize, label, archive, or even delete emails, ensuring your inbox stays uncluttered and essential messages aren't missed.
Setting up basic filters.
To start, look for the Filters or Rules section in your email settings. Decide what action you want to automate, like moving emails from a certain sender to a dedicated folder. Specify your filter criteria, choose an action, and save. Your inbox will now sort these emails on its own.
Popular ways to use filters.
Common uses for email filters include separating newsletters, automatically archiving receipts, flagging work-related messages, or sending social media notifications to a specific folder. These habits make it easier to prioritize, find, and respond to important emails without distractions.
Pro tips for advanced organization.
Combine multiple criteria for precise sorting, such as filtering emails with specific words from certain people. Keep your filters updated as your needs change. Review your folders occasionally to fine-tune your system and prevent important emails from being hidden by mistake.
Enjoy an organized, effortless inbox.
Email filters let you maintain a clutter-free inbox with minimal effort. By investing a few minutes to set up smart rules, you save hours in the long run and never miss what matters most. Start organizing your inbox today and take control of your digital life.